Hello there guys, and welcome to week number 6 of Red Nose Day unboxing. However, it's going to be a slight change up. I'm not going to open up any boxes from this box here. I have 5 special noses to show you guys, because knowing my luck last time, I messed it up when I thought there was 8 weeks. And yeah, so I have 5 special noses to show you guys. These noses, most of them I've had in my collection for a while. And yeah, actually, no, all of them, apart from one, have actually come from Comic Relief themselves. So yes, so we'll go through them all. And yeah, we'll just show you what we have. So first up, they are in my own little plastic boxes that I bought from Amazon. But yeah, first up, we have Franken Nose. This was the rare nose from 2017. And yeah, it was the silver nose. You could plug in that code there on his back, NOS3Y17, to play online. And yeah, it was just a silver Franken nose, which is pretty cool. Then we came to 2019. First of all, I do not have the noses from 2015, the rare ones, because only 12 of those were made. And yeah, there's no chance I'm even going to get a look at one of them. But Franken Nose from 2017. Will you stand up right there? Barely. So, 2019, there were 2 rare noses to find. I can't remember the rarity of them. I think it was one in 800 and one in 8,000. Start off with the one in 800. And the name of this actually escapes me, I believe. I believe this was the Happy Hopper or something like that. In any way, it's a frog. It's a Red Nose Day frog, even though he's green. But yeah, he's a little frog, hops around. And this was the second rarest nose for 2019. I say the second rarest because the rarest for 2019, 1 in 8,000, was the Transformer Nose. And the reason why he's got a white top and bottom in my little display box is because the reason why he was called the Transformer Nose is that he could be reversed and he could be flipped upside down and you still make a face. So yeah, that is the Transformer Nose, the 2019 rarest nose. Now we're coming into the noses of this decade that we're in, the 2020s. We have the Golden Tommy from 2021. Oh yes. One of my lovely friends over at Comic Relief sent me this over. I forget why actually. But yeah, they sent me over Golden Tommy. And yeah, this was my prized possession because it was a golden nose. It was the rare nose of that year. And yeah, Golden Tommy. Notice that it was my prized possession. Because if you have been into... Actually, no. I'm not going to give any locations because as of this moment of recording, I don't actually know. But back in October, I was involved... I think I can tell this. I was involved in a marketing campaign. And yeah, I was there to shoot some videos and to take some photos. And the lovely guys at Comic Relief said that I could take away a nose with me. Bear in mind, this was in October 2021. And these are the 2022 red noses. And they said I can take away a nose with me. So I did. I have had Cam, the rare nose for this year, 1 in 400, I believe. I've had Cam in my possession since October. So, if you wanted to see what Cam looked like, then, well, here is Cam. Cam the Chameleon. And he just looks fantastic. Luckily, the glitter does not rub off onto your fingers. That was my main concern when I first saw it. But yeah, there's Cam. And that is all of my rare noses that I've got. From 2017 all the way up until 2022. Now, yeah, I just thought that would be a nice little mixed up video for week number 6. Next week, we'll get back into this box and we'll get back into opening the 2022 red noses. But I just thought, why not go through history, go back through memory lane, and show you some of the red noses that there has been. Anyway, without me going into too much detail, I will finish this video here. You know the drill by now. Hit that like button, get subscribed, ring the notification bell to be notified of whenever I upload a video. Let me know, actually, which of these rare noses is your favourite. You have Franken Nose. I want to say Happy Hopper, but again, I'm not too sure of his name. We have the Transformer Nose, we have Golden Tommy, and we have Cam from this year. So yeah, let me know. Hit me up. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week when we get back into our regularly scheduled programming. Adios.